Everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the Raycon left earbud too quiet, volume balance and channel fix guide. Fix 1. Clean the speaker mesh. So earwax, dirt and sweat can build up on the speaker mesh and significantly reduce the volume of one earbud. So remove the silicone ear tips from the left earbud to expose the speaker mesh. Then use a soft toothbrush or dry toothpick to gently remove any visible drift from the mesh. Then the the lightly dampen a cotton swab with 70% isopropyl alcohol. Make sure it is not dripping wet. Carefully wipe the speaker mesh to remove any wax or oil the residue and allow the earbud to dry completely before using it again. The fix 2. Perform a factory reset. So open your device Bluetooth settings and select forget this device or unpair from your Raycon earbud. Now place both earbuds in the charging case and leave the lid open. And press and hold the touch control on the both earbuds simultaneously for 10 to 13 seconds until the LED indicators flash. Then release the earbuds and wait a few moments for the earbuds to reset. Now remove both earbuds from the case and allow them to reconnect to each other. Then repair the earbuds with your phone or tablet through the Bluetooth settings. Fix 3. Check audio balance setting. So open the for the Android, you can open settings, then go to accessibility or hearing enhancement. Now locate the left right audio balance slider. Ensure the slider is centered. For iPhone users, open the settings. Now tap accessibility. Then select audio and visual. Now check that the balance slider is set to the middle 0.00. Fix 4. Check for charging issue. So if the left earbud is not charging properly, it may operate at a lower volume. So clean the charging contact on the bottom of the left earbud with a dry microfiber cloth. Also clean the charging pins inside the charging case and place the left earbud back on the case and confirm the charging indicator activities. Then you can allow both earbuds to charge fully before testing them again. And verify that the both earbuds show similar battery level in the Bluetooth settings or companion app if available. And the final fix, you can contact the Raycon support. If the left earbud remain quieter after the cleaning, resetting and fully charging, the speaker hardware may be damaged. So check whether your earbuds are still covered under warranty. Then gather your purchase information and model number. Now contact Raycon support for troubleshooting assistant, repair options or a possible replacement. So goodbye and thanks for watching.